Like that. The silence means yes. Anyone else want to join me? No, Derek. Have I got the good side, Derek? You got the good side, yeah?
Yeah. No, I had the good side when you were around that way.
Oh,
yeah.
That's all right then.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, what we're going to do with my bad sides. That sounded bad. Okay, what we're going to do is the basic step called the mambo, yeah? For the moment, just want to stand with your legs hip apart. I don't want to be like that, you're not straggling a horse, just hip apart, okay? I want you to relax, soften your knees, okay? Also, I just got to point out one little thing. I just want you to have fun. And I want to ignore the person next to you, okay? Just black them, all right? And it's not a competition. You're just having a bit of fun. Okay, we're going to do mambo. Okay, oh, she wants to be in the front now. They can see me. It's all about me. Ooh. I know. Yeah, that's okay. It's all about me. It's all about me. I do like these assistants that get a bit uppity. You know, it's about me. Me. Sorry, Joe. Yeah, please do. And if you're going to slap me, I'll talk about that later. All right, for the moment, we're going to do... I do apologise for my outrageous behaviour. All right, so we're going to do mambo step, which is first we're going to go forward. We're going to go 1, 2, and then we're going to go back to where we started. So do that again. So we're going to go 1, 2, and 3. One more time. 1, 2, and 3. Again. 1, 2, and 3. Easy? Everybody okay? Yeah, I'll take the quietness being, yeah. You know, I do understand sign language. All right, then we're going to do part 2. We're going to go 5, 6, and 7. One more time. 5, 6, and 7. Again, one last time. 5, 6, and 7. Okay, now we're going to put the 2 together now. Okay, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, then 5, 6, and 7. Yeah, again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and 3, 5, 6, and 7. Now, if anyone's struggling with that, I'm just going to say something what's going to sound stupid. What you want to do is just relax a little bit and just try and keep you, I know this is going to sound stupid, keep your body between your legs. So when you're stepping forward, you move your body along with it together. When you step back, move your body along with it. Makes that a little bit easier than when you go all under one leg. All right, let's try that again a bit quicker. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Quicker. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Quicker. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I'm not looking that way. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and 3. Everybody comfortable with that? Okay, this is the mambo step. This is the basics to all salsa. Everything we do comes off that step. So we're going to add a few more basic steps onto the... No? Is that okay? Yeah. All right, just checking in case I'm doing something wrong. I've got to check with that. All right, so this that's the mambo. Now we're going to do the side step. We're going to go 1, 2, and 3. Then step to the side. 5, 6, and 7. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and 3. Okay, we're going to put the 2 together. So we're going to do a mambo, then I'll show side step, yeah? Yeah, okay. And mambo, so go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Side step. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5. Back to mambo and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and 3. Well done. Give yourselves a round of applause. Okay. We're going to add some more on, and I'll make you work now. We're going to try the back step. Very simple. All this says, we're going to step back. We're going to go 1, 2, and 3. Then back again. 5, 6, 7. Back. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to do side step. 7 and 1, 2, 3. I can't look that way. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Mambo and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and 3. Is everybody comfortable with that now? Yeah, I see the hips going there. Okay, and the shoulders going over there. All right, and the last move we're going to quickly do is called the back step open. Okay, virtually the same as you're stepping back. All we're going to do is turn our shoulders and step, turn the shoulders and step. So go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and stop. Okay, that's the footwork, but we're going to put the hands with it. The back step open. Okay, we're just going to step back, turn our shoulders, step back, turn our shoulders, and that's it. That's the footwork. But we're going to do something with the hands and the shoulder. Huh? 1, 2, 3. Okay, one more time. Ready? So back step open, going 1, 2, and 3, 5, 6, 7. One more. 1, 2, 3, 5, and stop. Okay, we're going to put the hands to it now. So we're going to go 2, 3, and 7, and 3, and 7, and 3, and okay, that's the basic one. That's called back step basic. We're going to add the hair comb version where we're going. No, you can turn that down a little bit. Okay, so we're going to do the hair comb. Ready? And go. 1, 2, 3. Doesn't matter which hand you use. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. And the last version, we're going to do the shimmy. To shake the shoulders. Go 1, 2, 3. Just the shoulders together. And 1, 2, 3. Stepping back. 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, and 3. Okay, that's basically it. That's the basic steps. Okay, we're going to put them all together now. Yeah, so we've got back step open, side step, and mambo. I forgot where I was now. Okay, can you put track 5 on? 5, please. Oh, sorry. It's like having my mother. There we go. Ready? So we've got mambo. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, side step.
Salsa console
1, 2,
timing
3,
workout.
5,
Let's start
6,
with
7.
numbers.
1, 2, 3,
6,
5.
7,
Mambo.
8.
1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5. Back step. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5. Back step open. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I would do 2 hands, but I got the mic, so I can't.
5, 6, 7.
Shake home.
3,
5, 6, 7. 1, 2,
Timbales
3,
Cascada.
5. Mambo. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5. Side step. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3,
Bongo.
5. Back step. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5. Back step open. 1 shimmy. 5, 7.
Timbale and moving
1
to
shimmy.
bell.
5 mambo. And 1. 5, 6, 7. Forward.
3,
And 5, 6, 7. Forward.
3,
5 side step. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. By the way, you're going to do all this in partnership in a second. 6, 7 mambo. 1, 2, 3, 5 back step. 1, 2, 3, 5 back step open. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 5 mambo. 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay, we're going to try something a little bit funky now. We're going to step forward. We're going to forward go. 1 forward step. Forward 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Okay, when you're forward open, just going 1 and turn, forward and turn,
Changing rhythm to
forward
Caballo.
and turn, forward and turn, forward.
5,
Mambo. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, shoulder it low. 5, 6, 7.
Back to
1,
salsa.
2, 3, 5. Side step.
1, 2, 3,
5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5. Back step. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6,
Piano
7.
and bass
1,
alone.
2, 3. Back step open. 1,
2, 3,
5.
6, 7.
1. Hair cold. 5,
6, 7.
1,
2, 3,
Good on the
5,
5.
6, 7.
1,
Full band.
5. Mambo. 1, 5. Forward step. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5. Forward open.
Just the
1,
walk.
2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5.
6,
Mambo.
7, 8.
1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5. Back step.
7, 8.
1, 2, 3,
and bass.
5, 6. One more. 1, 2, 3, 5. Back step open. 1. Shimmy. 5, 6, 7. And a 1, 2, 3, 5. Back to mambo. 1,
Conga.
5. And 1, 2, 3,
Open.
5. And stop. Okay.
Open.
Put the music
Slap.
second. Thank you.
Slap.
Give yourselves a round of applause. Now.